Hey, well, lads and lasses, how's the doing? Now, once upon a time ago, I got a Switch Lite, and for some reason, I never posted the unboxing video. So I'm going to post that, but the reason why I'm making this is because now, 4 years later, said Switch Lite is getting passed on. I've used it and tried it out, and I like it. But I've got my OG Switch, so I don't really need a light as well as much as I like it. But yeah, so it's coming up to the time of Christmas, so basically it's gonna be somebody's Christmas present, not somebody's Gaz and Stuart. So yeah, I've got the box and everything. It's plugged in there. It's needs unplugging it. I've got original box and everything. So it's all getting packed away, and it's going today. So yeah, let's get this thing boxed back up. Back in its little wrapper, its little bag. This is extremely awkward one-handed. Back in its box. I win. Take that box. Ah. Right then. So, now you've just seen me rebox this Switch Lite. Now let's look back 4 years ago when I unboxed it. Once upon a time ago. Oh, that was mock, it's not. In a land not too far from here, because it's only a few miles away, at 10:30, I queued up outside a store and waited until midnight so that I, Piper, could be the first in Leeds to get a Switch. Let's check, have it the wrong way around. Right? Y'all remember that? I did like the world's first and probably only underwater unboxing with this phone, because I think I did the other unboxing. I did 2 videos at once, but one was underwater. Yeah, because how cool are these phones? Hashtag S7 Edge. And the other one I did do with my camera, because obviously the sound won't have been as good underwater, so I needed a proper one. Anyway, recently I got a new phone contract, and with that it came with a new phone that is coming in another video. That is a whole other story. It is also, there we go, had something on it. That's a whole other story. Y'all gotta stay tuned for that. Go watch the next video after this at some point when I release it. That's a whole other story. I haven't even recorded that one yet. I'm staring right at that phone. I also got a gift for going to this particular store, and because it's Black Friday recently, I think that had something to do with it. They let you choose between like 5 different things. You could have a 200 quid gift card thing to spend in store. You could have a game console of some particular interest, and some other stuff. So I went for the game console because I got a life! I'm opening this thing. This is an unboxing of the Nintendo Switch Lite Grey Edition. I didn't get to choose the colour, they chose it for me. Oh, the hype. I don't even have a hype juice, but the hype, I don't need that hype juice. Right, calm down. It's a Switch. You have a Switch. It's a Switch. I gotta open this thing. Okay. I have a feeling I should probably open it that way, because I think I can peel it on top there. Let me count down for 1 hot minute. Whilst you all get a good look at the box, the console of the picture on the box. Oh boy, it's not replacing Switchy. Switchy always gonna be. Oh boy. Like a kid in Christmas. Wait, it is Christmas. I don't know what the fuck's right. It's there. Okay. Easy does it. Don't let gravity interrupt or interfere. Give me my switch. Oh, I'm holding it. I'm so damn excited, hyped for this. Okay. Calm down. Calm down. It's a switch. We don't need that right now. Oh boy. It's a switch. Oh! Oh! Pause. I'm gonna have to edit that out. Oh boy. Oh. I don't need to know what else is in here. It's just a cable. That's all it is. Because this is all this is now. This is the light. This is all you need. There ain't no dock. There ain't no HDMI. There ain't no Joy-Con. There ain't none of that. All it is just a handheld, one solid piece handheld thing, and a charger. Oh boy, I've been waiting a while to do this unboxing. Woo! Oh yeah, this is nice. Oh yeah. That, my boys. Oh, hi. Canvas. Rest in peace. That, my boys, is freaking nice. Plug it in. Fire it up. I really hope it does the Switch sound. Oh yes! It did it! It did it! So it's gonna the whole software is gonna be exactly the same. They can't have changed it for anything. That, my boys, is the Nintendo Switch Lite. Not replacing Switchy. Haha. What are you gonna do with two Switches? I don't know yet. Maybe two people could play together instead of playing on one Switch. I know somebody that still wants to play a Switch, and I've not yet let him have the chance of playing Switch despite being on 2 holidays with him. Thanks, sir. Oh, yeah. Well, you can even have a little case for it as well. It's all in there. I've even packed an extra game for you. So if you're interested to enjoy together, we've grab it real quick. Got another one as well. It's the Steady Starter pack. Brain Training, GTA, and Rayman Legends Definitive Edition. Unopened. There you go. Your very first Switch. Excellent.